Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. My today's topic is the nationalities in French. Nationalities, les nationalités. The nationalities in French also change according to the number and gender. We generally add e at the end of the spelling of the nationalities to change it to feminine, and add s at the end of the spelling of nationality to change it to plural. For example, a French boy, a garçon français, a French girl, une fille française. Here we can see that there is not any e at the end of the spelling of nationality of a boy, but there is an e at the end of the spelling of nationality of a girl. Now here is the another example of plural form. An Indian boy, a garçon andya, Indian boys, des garçons andya. Here we can see that in plural form there is a s at the end of the spelling of nationality. But remember one thing, if there is an e or a s already at the end of the spelling of nationality, then we don't make any changes. For example, a French boy, a garçon français, French boys, des garçons français. As there is a s at the end of the spelling of français, so we don't need to use any s at the end of the spelling of français in plural form. A Swiss boy, a garçon suisse, a Swiss girl, une fille suisse. As there is already an e at the end of the spelling of Swiss, so we don't need to add any e at the end of the spelling of Swiss in feminine form. Let's have a look of some masculine form and feminine form of nationalities in French language. Always remember one thing, that in French language the last letter of a word is generally mute. So here is some difference between the pronunciation of masculine form and feminine form. So listen carefully and repeat after me to learn the pronunciation. The nationality Indian. In French, the masculine form is andya, feminine form indienne. French, masculine form français, feminine form française. Japanese, masculine form japonais, feminine form japonaise. Chinese, masculine form chinois, feminine form chinoise. American, masculine form américain, feminine form américaine. English, masculine form anglais, feminine form anglaise. Portuguese, masculine form portugais, feminine form portugaise. Pakistani, masculine form pakistanais, feminine form pakistanaise. Belgian, masculine form Belge, feminine form Belge. Spanish, Espanol, feminine form Espagnol. Italian, masculine form Italien, feminine form Italien. German, masculine form Allemand, feminine form Allemande. Canadian, masculine form Canadien, feminine form Canadienne. Sri Lankan, Sri Lanka, feminine form Sri Lankese. Egyptian, masculine form Egyptia, feminine form Egyptian. Brazilian, masculine form Brasilia, feminine form Brazilian. Algerian, masculine form Algeria, feminine form Algerian. Senegalese, masculine form Senegalese, feminine form Senegalese. Australian, masculine form Australia, feminine form Australian. Irish, masculine form Irlandais, feminine form Irlandaise. Austrian, masculine form Australia, feminine form Australian. Cambodian, masculine form Cambodia, feminine form Cambodian. Scottish, masculine form Écossais, feminine form Écossaise. If you like my video, then please like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.